guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll talk about how to get your things done quickly and efficiently, and that's what we are going to talk about. Point number 1, try to list down the things that you need to do in order to achieve your goal, your aim, or whatever it may be. You have to take a pen and a paper and write down those things. For example, if you want to become an actress, so what you need to do, you need to give auditions, you need to have your photo shoot portraits, and you need to try different hobbies that will incline with your acting culture and everything. So these are the pointers that you need to make. You're going to write it on a paper, or maybe you can do it digitally, but I would suggest it do it as soon as you can, because it's going to help you a lot. Point number 2 is try to start as soon as you can, because guys, when we are actually trying to do something, we always think I have to be perfect in this niche, I have to be doing this, I have to make my videos perfect. If you want to start a social media account or whatever it could be, suppose if you have like an online business, so but you're thinking when I'll have the proper jewelry, I'll have nice camera, nice equipments, nice tripod, nice lights, everything that you're saying is excuse to your dreams and not for anyone else but for your dreams, and that's how you're cheating your dreams. And so I would suggest start however you can. You can be a total cringe, but you have to do it for yourself, because when you're sleeping at night, you do not have to think about what could I have done in order to start my own thing that I always wanted to do. So so you have to start however, but you have to start very early, because if you think I'm cringe, like you're thinking, suppose I am cringe, I cannot do that. So be that cringe now. What is the problem in being a cringe person if you are getting your dreams get done? So I would suggest try being cringe, and it's gonna help you a lot. Point number 3, be consistent, because if you are actually being consistent, you are actually sort of improving yourself. Because if you post anything of your business, of your shopping, enterprise, anything, if you post it, suppose today is Monday and you're posting it on Monday, and then after 2 days you're not posting, oh my god, my video is not coming, that of my jewelry is not perfect, anything, blah blah blah, then what you're doing actually is you are actually just making that first step, and then when you're almost about to reach the second step, you are actually breaking that what would I say, the chain. So I would suggest be consistent. You have to post daily if you have online business, or you can study. You have to study every day in order to achieve your grade that you want to achieve. So I would say be consistent, and do not little things affect your mentality and your consistency. That's it. Point number 4, be experimental, because if you are actually experimenting yourself, your game, your strategies, you are actually making it on top, I would say. Because if you are constantly thinking about experimenting and reprogramming your ideas, the way of your working, everything's gonna change, because you are actually thinking out of the box. So many of the things that you are considering it right now, try to look from another perspective, and it's gonna be so good. Because believe me, when you actually think about doing things differently than others, you have actually made it to the top. You will not realize it now, but of course you will be realizing it after some months, some years, but you will be definitely seeing that. Point number 5, stop hanging around people who are actually stopping you from being yourself. Because when you're trying to do something different than the others, the people that you are close with will automatically say, oh, that's so cringe, you should not do this. And or they can be like, I'm not sure that's good for you, or they can do anything. But let me tell you, these are the same people who will come to you when you get numbers, you will have the thing, they are gonna come to you. But trust me guys, do not let these people corrupt your minds, and I would suggest stop hanging around. Not completely if you can't, but I would say just the topics that are concerning for your dreams or for yourself, do not share it with them, because they are gonna completely ruin that positivity of yours. So I would suggest don't share your ideas with people who will actually, you know, stop your growth and success. Yeah, because these are the most important points that I have learned and I would like to share them with you. So stay connected.